Hey guys, so welcome back, and today's video is going to be about my October favorites. I was super busy in October. I had so much to do and there were a lot of things happening in life. So I have a few things that I want to share with you guys which were my favorite during the whole month. Now let's just quickly begin with the video. Now, if you guys follow me for a while, you already know that I'm a digger for skincare products. So the first thing from my October favorites is a skincare product. It's the Body Shop 3-in-1 tea tree wash scrub mask. This is how the packaging looks like. Now I've also shown this in my must-have products for oily skin. I recently bought this. I think I bought this in the first week of October, and ever since I bought this, I've been using this, only this. Like, I swear I did not go for any other product on my face. I just love it so much. I use it twice a day, like in the morning and in the night. I just use it to scrub my face and just exfoliate it and wash my face with this thing only, and I've been obsessing over this product. This is definitely my number one favorite from the month of October. Now the next thing that I have is this board that you can see behind my back. I will show a close-up for you all. Now this board was actually gifted to me by my best friend from US. I love organizing and I love making planners. I love making lists basically. So she sent me this really pretty white board, which is actually a planner. You have dates and days written over it, and at the side you have got this thing. Now you guys already know I had this Happy Diwali series going on and I had a lot of work to do, so this was really handy. And what I used to do was every morning I used to write down all of my tasks on that thing, and then I just used to go through that throughout the day and just tick it off and then just rub it in at night. Actually of great help to me during my whole scheduling. And yeah, this was my second favorite from the month of October. The third thing that I have is actually a body mist. It's from Body Shop. It's the Indian Night Jasmine Fragrance Mist, and this is how the packaging is. It's so cute, and I showed it in one of my Body Shop hauls actually, but I didn't use it then. I recently started using it in the first week of October itself, and oh my god, this smells heavenly. Like, it's got such a nice musky and sexy smell. Like, I could just keep on sniffing it the whole day and I won't get bored of it. It's so nice. Like, this is absolutely one of my most favorite body mist of all times, and I have been wearing it all through the October. Like, whenever I was going out, I used to wear this, and I got so many compliments on this one. Like, every time I used to wear it, people used to come and ask me what perfume are you wearing or what this fragrance is. This was so nice and catchy fragrance. Next up I have is a candle. This is the Home Center Orange Blossom jar candle. This is the jar candle, and as you can see, I've almost finished like half of it, and I love burning this at night or whenever I'm getting ready or I'm just doing some work. Now I love fragrances and aromas and everything about diffusers and candles. I don't know, I just love burning diffusers and candles at my place. So yeah, I got this candle and I've been burning it pretty much every single day. It's a very mild fragrance. Like, you won't even probably feel it if you don't have a very strong sense of smelling. But this one is very nice and mild and gives a very soothing effect. Yeah, I just love it. This is so great. So just like my September favorites, I also have another nail paint favorite of the month. This is the Nykaa Matte Nail Paint in the shade S'mores Milkshake. This is how it looks like, and I have it on my nails right now, as you can see probably. This is one of my favorite nail paints which I have been loving. Like, I love all of the matte range. I have 3 mattes from the new collection, but this one is my favorite. This is the S'mores Milkshake one, and it stays so long. Like, every time I used to apply a nail paint, it used to chip in like 2 days. I don't know why. My handling is such, or I've got some problem with my nails. Every time I used to apply a nail paint, it used to chip in 2 days, but this time this was kind of stay on. Like, I did not need any kind of touch up for a week. So yeah, this was really great, and I just love this nail paint, the matte range. So maybe because of the formula, because it's matte, it's more stay on. So yeah, these nail paints did not chip off easily. Then I have is this diary. This is from Landmark. It's available in some of the West Side stores, like not all of the West Side stores. This is how the diary looks like. It says the worst thing I can be is the same as everybody else, and I used it in October to plan my videos, to plan my ideas and my schedules and everything of that sort. Now finally, the last thing from October favorites are these shoes. I got these shoes from Street Style store. These are brown colored Oxford shoes which I got a while back, but I did not use them. I don't know why I couldn't just use them, but recently I've started using these shoes and I absolutely love them. Like, they're so cool. They are Oxfords and the color and everything is so pretty, and I think it's perfect for fall time. Like, I could style so many things with these. So yeah, I could style so many outfits with these shoes. So I have been using these shoes a while now. So yeah, this was my October favorites. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have a giveaway going on, so I will probably link the giveaway video in the description box. So make sure you check that out and participate in the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye!